What if I told you that these 3D textured art pieces were very easy to make? If you're interested in seeing the process, well, stick around. My name is Baby, I'm an artist, and on this channel I love to document my art journey and share art tutorial videos and inspiration with you. Welcome to my channel. If you're not subscribed, you should hit that subscribe button because I can promise you a ton of art inspiration videos will be coming your way from this channel. Like I said, today I will be sharing with you the process of how I was able to make this beautiful, amazing art pieces. So if you're interested in seeing that process, let's get into it. I start off by painting my canvas black, and that's just because I love the juxtaposition of a black background against chrome. This is optional if you do not, have this preference. I will, however, note that it's always a good idea to prime your canvas with gesso or at least put a layer of acrylic paint before you start to use your canvas. You don't want it to be stark and bare where you can see the fibers directly. Anyway, I'm moving on to the next step with some spackling paste, which I have on hand. You can pick this up on Amazon, or you can also just mix a really thick joint compound mixture for this purpose. I am working on a set of 2 artworks, and so I wanted them to connect so that there is that continuity in the artwork, and so that's why I have both canvases lined next to each other. You can skip this if you're only making one. When it comes to abstract art, you can either have kind of a vision in mind that you're trying to depict or just go with the flow. But especially when you're going with the flow, it's important to keep in mind the rules of visual symmetry and just making sure that you're looking at the art from all angles and making sure that, one side is not too bare and they're all looking balanced from all angles. So just keep that in mind. Next, I am priming the surface of the spackling paste with a household primer. Do not skip this step if you plan to use the exact same paint that I'm using, as it will be absorbed into the spackle rather than sit on the surface, which you do not want at all. The primer will also help to bond any surfaces of the spackle that might have cracked during the process of drying, so it's always helpful. And now for the most satisfying part of the process, I am applying my liquid chrome ink. In total, I used about 3 coats to achieve my desired finish. It's really important to move the artwork around and look at it from all angles to make sure that every inch of the joint compound or spackling paste is covered and you do not have any white exposed. I am also currently on the hunt for a metallic pigment that would give me a beautiful reflective finish like this, but something that can be mixed with the joint compound. So if you know of any pigments, metallic pigments of that nature, please let me know in the comments. I will be happy to check it out and give you my thoughts. And so this is the final result. It is very visually striking and impactful. It's a lot easier to make than most of my artworks, and so it's very beginner friendly. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. I hope that this is something that you would be willing to give a try. Yeah, that was the entire process. I hope that you found this video to be helpful and informative and engaging. As a reminder, all of the links will be left in the description, so if you are interested in checking out any of the materials or checking out my website, just head on over to the description box. If you're not subscribed, I'm not sure what else you're waiting for. It's obvious that I have a ton more to come, so just hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you're always aware whenever I have a new video up. And with all of that said, I want to thank you all for watching today's video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.